Yeah.
So glad to connect virtually.
Yeah.
So, so I see you keep traveling. So where are you now?
I'm in Kolkata right now, like precisely.
Okay,
Now.
okay. Yeah, people are just joining, so we
So
can start in a couple of minutes.
how you are doing this event? Is it a one-in-one interaction with the students, right?
Pardon me?
Is it a one-in-one interaction, or do you want me to run any presentation?
Yeah, you will. I'll initially just welcome you and just talk about just briefly for my 5 minutes or so, and then you can give you can present, and
Presentation.
then yeah, make a presentation, and
Hmm.
afterwards we'll have a Q&A session.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can present about the programs and all the opportunities in general about the
Mhm.
opportunities in Ireland, Galway, and University of Galway.
Sure, definitely. I'll just run a quick presentation in that case.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Yeah.
So good evening and welcome to all the participants to this session 5 on this day 1 of the Edu Expo hosted by Ad Hoc and 24 News. So in this session, we are going to host University of Galway and Joydeep Saha, their representative of from University of Galway, will interact with us, make a presentation, and then he will be answering our questions as well. So before going ahead, so we are very happy that we are having a direct MOU with University of Galway, and we have been sending students to the University of Galway. When we have many success stories of the students who have studied there, got employed, whom we have helped, who who have whose lives have been impacted by us and the University of Galway. So University of Galway is a top-ranked university, which is among the top 2% of the universities globally. And there are so many industries there in Galway, especially the medtech industries, the pharma industries, or the manufacturing industries. And the students who study there get opportunities for internship, collaborations with industries. The syllabus is framed in collaboration with industries so as to make the students employable. And at Ad Hoc, we have our office there in Ireland, and the founders of Ad Hoc are now based in Ireland. When they studied there, they started this consulting firm so as to help the prosthetic students who are being misguided in so many ways. So we have been so glad to have helped so many students, more than thousands of students. We have been able to help and get good jobs, settle in Ireland. So without taking much time of Joydeep, I'll hand over the session to him right now, and then we'll have a time of interaction at the end. Over to you, Joydeep. Go ahead, please. Thank you.
Yes. Hi. Thank you, Dr. Matthew, for the lovely introduction. So, guys, my name is Joydeep Saha. I work as a marketing manager for the South Asia. So I take care of the student recruitment process from India as one of my big region and all those. So EDOC is definitely one of our wonderful partner guiding students like authentically, especially from Kerala region. So definitely you can count on them. So before starting, I just like to run a small presentation. I promise I won't make it very boring and all those. So I won't run all the slides, just a little bit glimpse about Galway and all those, why Ireland and all. Okay, so why Ireland? Firstly, there's definitely Ireland is one of the most English-speaking country in the world. Ireland has a world-class education system, and Ireland hosts maximum number of high-quality education institutes, basically what you call. And best part is that Ireland is known as for research and innovation, and it is a gateway of Europe. It is the most safest country in the world right now, and especially Galway is the most safest place in the world. Ireland is all about jobs. We have ample amount of part-time and full-time jobs, very strong stay back opportunities Ireland give you. Ireland is one of the third largest economy in the world, basically, in terms of the richest country, third richest country in the world. 3.8% economy is growing. Ireland is also known as a Silicon Valley of Europe. It's a hub for IT, data science, medtech, fintech, pharmaceuticals, and a lot of many other things, basically. So where are we located? We are just located in the western side of the island towards when you go towards US. So it's the western side of the island. So it's just 2 hours away from Dublin. It's a 2 hours drive from Dublin and 2.5 hours from Cork and 1 hour from Shannon. So Galway has been recently ranked number 7 as the student city in the world and number 1 in Ireland for student friendliness. So we are definitely the most student friendliest city in the world and a student city. Also, Galway also is the fourth largest city in Ireland. It is known as a city of festival, culture, music, film, arts. There are more than 140 festivals that goes on in Galway every year. It is also known as the European capital culture, basically. And if I talk about, yes, definitely Galway is the European capital culture, but apart from that, Galway is also known as the tech and the medtech hub of Ireland. It's a global medtech hub. So this slide will be very interesting for you if you want. You can take a snapshot because end of the day, everyone look for return on investment, whatever you get. What are the companies which are present? Yes, Galway have around 100 plus IT companies which are based in Galway, 200 plus medical technology companies which are based in Galway. Then few fintech companies are based in Galway. So these are some of the glimpses of Galway. So this is the campus, I will say, the picture of the campus, the real view in the night. So this is the whole campus. It's a very humongous 3.5 kilometer length campus, 1.5 kilometer breadth. You can see Atlantic Ocean at the back. The campus itself is in the city center, basically. It's next to the city center. So this is one of the side of the campus which is near to the city center. This is the most Instagrammable place in Ireland right now, this place. It's a very amazing quadrangle that we have. Look, there are many reasons to come to Galway, and definitely we are among number 1 in Ireland for sustainability. We are among the top 2% university in the world, and it's a very much biodiverse campus that we have. The best part is that we rank number 1 in Ireland for Times Higher Education Impact Ranking, which is towards the employability also. So we have a 98% graduate employability rate, which is one of the highest in Ireland right now. So these are some of the picture of the campuses. Now we have 4 colleges. The first is the College of Arts, Social Sciences and Celtic Study. We have many undergraduate courses in arts from digital technology, film, journalism, mass communication, psychology, like almost all the courses that you want to study in related to art and social sciences, we have all of them. Plus, we have all the master's program because a lot of students from Kerala, they come for masters, especially for psychology course like health psychology, community-based courses like child youth community, then social work. And we have courses in planning and development, international development practice, like if you really want to work with the higher things and all those. So a lot of these courses are quite famous in Ireland that we provide. So this is a very popular course in health psychology. Like if you guys have any background in psychology, then definitely you can come for this course. I won't talk much about the course because that we will have one-in-one interaction if you have more want to know more about the courses and all those. So we next is the College of Business and Law. So College of Business, the BComs are the most popular. It is also known as a Deloitte Scholar. Plus we are also law courses because Ireland is a hub for Europe basically. So when you complete your law course in Ireland, you can practice in Ireland as well as in UK as well as in Europe also. That's the best part of studying law in Ireland. So I will talk more about the masters. We have many masters programs like business analytics, information system management, cybersecurity risk management, and we accept 3 years degree from India from all these courses. Now we recently launched fintech course last year. We are the only university in Ireland to launch fintech course. university to offer a fintech course. We have management and sustainability. We're very strong in economics like global environmental economics, health economics, then accounting based course which can lead you to a chartered accountant in Ireland, international accounting and analytics, then corporate finance, then international finance, then digital marketing, marketing management. We have many hospitality based courses like global hospitality, then global hospitality performance, revenue performance management. Then many law courses also we provide. Plus, we recently launched a course on on entrepreneurship and venture management in case if you have any plan to start up your business. So Ireland have a very strong startup visa system. So this is one of the new course that we launched, a fintech, and these are some of our corporates who are associated with us for the placements in India or the employability services, what you call. So this is the course which I was talking about. Like if you really want to have your own startups and all those, this is a very good course. It gives you access to the Galway Business Innovation Center from where you can start your own startups. Basically, we give you access to that. Okay, now we have a hotel management college also, especially undergraduate in hospitality is booming in Europe, and we are one of the most affordable undergraduate college for hospitality. The whole course will cost you 48,000 euros. First year you study, second year you work, third year, fourth year again you can work-based study. Basically, you do. Plus, you get a 9 month of paid internship after that. Then we have many postgraduate courses like postgraduate in global hospitality, hospitality business, then hospitality performance revenue management. Now, we don't teach culinary and all those in these courses. We are more focused on the business side of the hospitality, like business analytics, IT, project management. We will teach more focus will be there. And this course also have a paid internship option. College of Science and Engineering, almost all the undergraduate courses are there from biomedical science, biotechnology, and all engineering courses you will find here. But we are more popular for postgraduate, especially from Kerala. When it comes from Kerala, it's like computer science, but for computer science and engineering, we need a 4 years degree. So computer science, AI, data analytics, adaptive cybersecurity, these are very, very popular course. Plus, we recently launched few courses like intelligent robotics, is one of the course. Then we have many M engineering based course like electronic and computer engineering, civil engineering, wind engineering, mechanical engineering. Then we are very popular for occupational environmental health, basically in case if you like to work in the field of safety engineer or in the field of occupational health. Then biomedical science, biotechnology, then construction innovation is a new course that we have launched. Health data science, genomics data science, many courses like this we offer. So this is one of our this is again a very popular course we run called Health Data Science. A lot of students from Kerala they come for this course. Even 3 years degree student also can come from healthcare, pharma, or biomedical science. They can come for this program. Then we have recently launched a course called Intelligent Robotics. It's a human computer interaction course. It's an applied AI program. Then we have a course called Construction Innovation, which comes with building modeling technology, basically BIM, building information modeling. So it comes under critical skill shortage. So a student with civil or architect background, they can definitely come for this course. Then we have a course called Medical Electronics and Digital Health. So if you guys know all these electronics chip for medical device, they all are manufactured in Ireland. So Ireland is a big hub for this kind of courses. So yes, you can come for this course if you have a background of electrical, electronic, or computer engineering. You can come for this course. Then Ireland is towards the renewable energy because Ireland don't import any energies from Russia, so they manufacture their own energy. So the wind turbines, which are one of the most, Ireland is the largest manufacturer of wind turbines, and it has a lot of good scope also. Now, the School of Natural Sciences, we have courses like environmental leadership, marine freshwater management, occupational environmental safety, sustainable environment. If you go for this kind of courses, we give you a flat 10,000 euro scholarship if you have more than 75% in your graduation. School of Medicine, the most popular is the exercise physiology. Like if there is any physiotherapists, it's a very good course. Like they give you a Koru registration after the course. Plus, we run many courses for any health professionals like applied clinical data, clinical research, preventive cardiology, regenerative medicine. These are some of the courses we run for all the medical graduates, basically. Now, yes, Galway is very popular for career development center because this is the main forte of Galway, basically. Yes, we do have the placement support, how you call it in India, they call it employability services. What happens is that when you complete your course, then your placement starts basically, where the companies will come into the campus and will hire you basically with this. Now, admission entry requirement, because most of the courses will require 65 to 75%, basically most of the courses. So we can have an individual one-in-one discussion for that. English, we don't accept Duolingo, except apart from Duolingo, you can give IELTS, even TOEFL home base is accepted, PT is accepted. You can give this kind of tests. Scholarships, we have a lot of scholarships, but again, course to course, it differs. So we can have a one-in-one discussion on scholarships, and all those applications are already open and it's going to close also soon. So in case if you're looking for September 25, try to apply as early as possible. Just like to give you a brief about our student in accommodation. Yes, we don't have any accommodation crisis in Galway. Ample amount of accommodations you will find here, like yes, off campus, on campus housings and all those. So these are some of the on campus housing, and we have accommodation advisory services, and accommodation will cost you around 4,000 euros to 7,000 euros per year basically. So these are some of the picture of the accommodation. We have student support services like chaplaincy services, counseling service, disability service, and we give you a student health unit also, like your basic medical checkups and all those will be free of cost. A lot of sports activities you will find inside the campus. 150 clubs and societies are there inside the campus. These are some of the student ambassador. So that's it. I work with one of my colleague Anju. So you can take down my email address. It's southasia@University of Galway. In case if you have any query, you can just let me know. So yes, I will be happy to have a one-in-one discussion with you. In case if you have any query, we can just have a one-in-one discussion with you all.
Thank you, Joydeep, for that quick but detailed presentation and overview about Galway and the opportunities there in Galway. Uh, and now I understand that you have 4 colleges, around 19 schools, and around 60 academic disciplines, and a large university with around 20,000 students studying there. And yeah, a large and beautiful campus as well, right? It's around 260 acres of campus, and large and a beautiful campus. And so many students have gone there, found internships, jobs there. And Joydeep also mentioned about some specific programs, MSc FinTech, entrepreneurship and venture management and things like that. And so I'm sure there are many students here, prospective students here, who have questions, who would like to interact. So whatever questions that you would like to have, we have Joydeep with us, and he'll be willing to answer. So we'll take the questions now and have a time of interaction. Yeah, in the meantime, I would like to mention again that a talk. So we have our office in Ireland, and we have offices across India and in the Middle East. And so we offer our services free. So we are not B2B people. We have direct MOU with universities and colleges, and we do everything free of cost. We don't charge anything from the students. So, we'll be happy to help you in securing your admission there, doing the visa processing, admission process, everything. We'll be able to help you and guide you. So you can come up with your questions so that we can interact with Joydeep.
Hi, Jyoti. This is Rashmi. So I have a question regarding the placement that you told. So you said that there will be a lot of placement opportunities and they'll be bringing in placements for Galway University.
Mhm.
So is it like I've heard that in abroad, like the placement opportunity is like we only have to go and search for the jobs, right? There will be no there might be placement support, but we'll be only searching for job, is it? Or but just wanted to understand that you told that will it be like India? Like they'll bring in the companies and they'll get us placed, they'll
Mhm.
give us the opportunity. Just wanted to understand on that point.
Look, India things a bit different basically because how Galway is the only university in Ireland which has this support. Okay.
Okay.
So how this support work is that, so look, job fairs are common. Job fairs, we do 14 fairs throughout the year. That's separate. Okay. That will be there where you have to go to the fairs and you have to search job by yourself or okay. Now what I'm talking about this employability services is that definitely job fair is one of the thing, but apart from that, individual courses they will invite the companies. Okay,
Okay.
like for example, business analytics, certain companies will come to hire students from business analytics from us. So they will come to the campus, and this happens once you complete your course, not before that. Again, I
Hmm.
repeat, once you complete your course, before that, it
Hmm.
takes up to 6 to 9 month time for your placement.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
in case it's either way, even if you know someone, you can go and find a job and you can do it yourself. But as the
Okay.
company keeps on coming, it's a very good support for you in
Yeah. Yeah.
jobs and all those basically because
Hmm.
when any company is directly invited to the campus, the salaries and all those are much more higher.
Hmm.
So
So
these are
this,
that's
okay.
yeah, that's how
Um,
the university works.
oh, that's really
Even
great
even
to
even
know.
even
Yeah.
if you joined any of our course or paid the deposit, we
Hmm.
will also invite you for a pre-departure session in the month of May, where
Okay.
where we invite our placement officer also. Our placement officer
Okay.
will come into that so that before coming to Ireland from India, you know that okay, these are the companies who came
Hmm.
last year also, and these are the companies who might come this year. So
Hmm.
everything depends upon the
Okay.
companies basically whether they will hire you or not. Okay?
Understood. Understood. So there is one more question I have.
Yeah, please.
Um, let's say that I mean, Galway, every university has their own eligibility criteria, right?
Mm,
So if let's take this case as a person have like 5 years of a BA experience itself, wanted to pursue in the business analytic domain itself,
mm.
and but have a backlog of six. Okay, so but
Look,
in their
whenever
hmm,
Rashmi was
hmm,
applying,
hmm.
you have to make sure you don't have any backlogs.
Not now,
You
but
clear all your
in at
backlogs
the
before
it's
applying.
like yeah, not currently it they have no backlogs, but
If there is any active backlogs, the faculty might
hmm,
reject you because
not
everything
active
depends on the
backlogs.
tutor. Everything
Uh,
depend upon the tutor because
yeah.
tutor not only review the overall percentage,
Hmm.
also the individual marks that you have got in your
Yeah.
subjects.
Yeah. So if there is no active backlog, but they have a history of six backlogs, but
That's fine.
they
It
will
should
that
be
also
clear.
be considered?
It should be clear.
Okay, so it's cleared, but they have a history of six backlogs in their past.
That's fine.
That's
The
fine. We can
unis have
apply,
no
right?
issue with backlogs. Only
Oh,
apply
okay.
to colleges or technical university. They are not allowed. But for universities, backlogs are not issue. So
Okay.
you can apply with backlogs, but your backlog should be cleared. If it's cleared, then
Okay.
they will give you an offer. If you get an
Okay.
offer, the embassy will stop you for visa.
Okay. Because I've seen that in Ireland, it's a bit strict because in certain universities they'd only allow like a four to a history of four for up to five backlogs. That's what I've heard. Up to five backlogs only this Galway will be
No, we
allowing.
don't
So
have
you cannot
anything like
apply.
that. It
It's
should be
not like that.
cleared when you apply, but again, the
Okay.
faculty will take a decision for this.
Okay. But I have like a 5 years of BA experience. So
That's
that will be
fine.
an added advantage, right? Even
Exactly,
if I
exactly.
apply, they will consider me.
Exactly. But if you're looking for business analytics, please apply quickly. Within
Hmm.
days, we are going to close the course.
Understood. Understood. So one more thing. So suppose in my part in whatever company I have been, right. So they have not provided. They are not ready to provide LOR. but I have LOR from my universities. So should I get LOR? Is it mandatory to get LOR from the current company as I have a history of 5 years of work experience, or
Yes,
it's fine if I have
it's
only from
better to
university?
give.
It's better to give, right?
You can
Okay.
give online LOR also, like you can
Hmm.
send your recommendees official email and all.
Hmm.
So we will send them the link.
Oh, okay. Okay. Because that is a situation that in my company, they won't self-endorse. I mean, like self-endorsement is not allowed. Like generic, they will only give an LOR, that too only from the HR people, but not from individual person. So was just thinking that
Individual
how
person
valuable
can
that
give you
will
an
be.
email, right? They can send you through email.
No, they are like only from HR head, like a generic, oh, this is your roles and
Then
responsibility,
you either
and
way
only
you
this
give
will
it
be.
from anywhere, but anywhere
Huh.
linked with
Okay.
you, you can give it from there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I might be eligible for Galway. That's
Yes,
what you're
yes,
saying.
you can apply. What is your GPA?
69?
Is it 6.9 or 69?
6.9. 69. 6.9.
6.9. You can try. I won't say 100%. You can try.
Okay. And also I am pursuing this business analytics, that's distance course, but that will not be valuable, right?
Yes, yes, you can try.
I can try. Okay.
Sure. Good.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Joydeep, and thank you, Rashmi, for your question. Yes, any other questions? Amy, Joseph, you have any question?
Yeah, hi, I'm a counselor from Ad hoc only. I am asking on behalf of one of my students. She's currently in class, she's studying, so that's the reason. We have applied for the MSc in health psychology for her, and she's a BSc psychology graduate. So she's currently pursuing a final year. So we have not received any offer letter for her, but we have shared the modules related to her project and everything. She has yet to complete
They
her
they are
project.
they are they are still now reviewing the application. So just wait. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Hey Joydeep, it's Vignesha. Hello.
Yes, go ahead, Vignesh.
So yeah, so I actually got the offer letter. So I have also paid the deposit. The thing is, when I'm trying to find the accommodation in Galway, the thing I can only find few options. So could you let me know what is the best way to find an accommodation in Galway?
So did you attended the webinar? Like 2 days back, we did a webinar on off-campus.
No, I haven't because I was off station.
Okay,
Yes.
so we do have accommodation and all those. Just in Google search of off-campus Galway. So
Okay.
it will take you to a page basically. So
Uh-huh.
there you can find all the hostels. You can start connecting with the hostels right now.
Uh,
And also you can search accommodation on campus also. On campus accommodation will open from April onwards.
okay.
Plus, if you have accepted the offer, then we will invite you for a pre-departure session. So you can come and interact with us. So we will guide you more on accommodation and all those there. Okay, so
Okay.
in
So
Galway don't
how?
have any accommodation crisis as such.
Okay. So like can you explain like how does the on-campus accommodation works? Is
On
it
campus, we will
first come?
update you. We are yet
Uh,
no, it's not first come first serve. We will update you the process.
okay, okay, done. Thanks a lot.
Yes, any other questions?
I think some of the students have asked in the chat box. Can you please check that?
Okay, let me see. I'm an LLM graduate with 2 years experience with you. Look, we have many courses in LLM that you can go for. You can just check out all the courses. You are eligible for all program. But right now, the most popular courses are the business law and tech law, basically. So these two are the major area. Like if you are really keen to work on, because we are the only university in Europe to have the tech law course. It's called law and digital innovation, basically. So that's with AI machine learning. You can look into that. Otherwise, you can come for the business law course. Business law course, we give you an internship also. Next course is Subir. I am question backlogs criteria. I told you we don't have any problem with backlogs. Whenever you apply, you have to clear all the backlogs. I am Kamal from Kerala, BTech graduate electronics. Look, we would need 65%. Unfortunately, for engineering won't be possible, but there are other courses like occupational health or this kind of courses you can definitely try, but not into engineering. Yes, occupational health and therapy is one of the most popular course in Ireland right now. If you have more than 75% in your graduation, we give you a 10,000 euro scholarships. We need a degree in the same field or engineering. Any engineering or any science student can come for that course. And it comes under critical skill shortage in Ireland.
Hi, this is Jasira.
Mhm.
I represent EdHoc. I have posted the question on behalf of my student. He is currently in his office now.
Mhm.
So the question was that LLM graduate is also asking, will this master's from Galway will help him to get the SQE level qualification?
SQE level qualification. Yes, but
Yes,
for that qualification is any law course they do. It's not only about Galway. Anywhere they do LLM, they were eligible for that.
any master's from Ireland will help them to get the SQE
Yes.
qualification.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Joydeep, I understand that there are some specific courses, for the Indian Chartered Accountant qualified students there. So, can you mention about that and the opportunities that they
Yes.
have there in Ireland?
Mhm. Yes, they can. They can definitely look. We have a course called International Accounting and Analytics. We run this course in two routes. One is the pathway A and pathway B. Pathway is the first route, which is for the general student who done a course in BCom or BBA. And second route is for the CA member or ACCA full-time member. They can come in the month of January and do the course. After this course, they get CAP 1 exemption, and the CA student, they get all CAP exemption and directly become a chartered accountant in Ireland. And professional accounting comes under critical skill shortage in Ireland. So definitely like KP is mostly the courses are powered by KPMG and all those. So you get a lot of good placement with the big fours to work.
Any other questions?
Hi.
Yes, tell me.
Yes.
I have completed bachelor's in physiotherapy. So
Mhm.
I want to do my MS in exercise physiology and rehabilitation.
Excellent.
May I do it does have any internship or placements in that course?
Yes, look, placements for medical schools are different. It's not like a business school. Okay,
Yeah.
it will be not like a business school. But yes,
Mm.
the course have a 3 months of internship and it's a 15-month program. And this is
Mm.
the only course in whole Europe which will give you a Koru registration after the course. Okay, so you
Okay.
don't need to give any licensing exam and all those. You directly register yourself for Koru after the program. So this is the plus point of the course basically. So just one and only course in whole Ireland. I guess only 7-8 seats are left. So in case if you haven't applied, just apply as early as possible. Okay.
Okay. If you can I do any non-clinical sector courses? Which is best, clinical or non-clinical?
Better to go for clinical because you are eligible for this and go for clinical side.
Okay.
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 Think I got a couple of more questions for me.
Yeah.
Yes. I completed BTech Biotech. What are the closing applications? So there are no closing applications there. They can close anytime. So just apply as early as possible. I'm going to say generally by Feb end they closes. So try to apply right now. I'm Pratap from Bangalore. I completed 4-year experience. Yes, if you have done some experience in regulatory affairs, you can apply for course called biomedical science, and biomedical science is with regulatory affairs. It's in pharmaceutical biomedical science. We give you a 3 months of paid experience in regulatory affairs. Plus, additionally, you get a 1-year experience in regulatory affairs in case if you want. Go.
Joydeep, I have a question. So may I know what's the job market there? in Ireland. I've seen that comparatively to other like UK and Ireland, Ireland does have a good job market. But I've heard that it's a small country, and the job market is a bit coming a bit low. So as far as the condition in 2025, may I know like how is the placement rate and how is the job market right
Look,
there?
as of now, we have a 98.6% employability rate. Okay.
Okay.
Again, I repeat, it takes up to 6 to 9 months of completion of your course to get a very good job. Okay. That's different when you go abroad, and this is not only about Ireland, same with US and other countries also. It's the same. Now, Ireland being an Indian, the probability is much higher for you, especially because Ireland is known as the Silicon Valley of Europe. Ireland main industry is IT, pharma, fintech, medtech. These are some of the main industry basically in Ireland. So it's easier for you to settle down in these areas to work. The return on investments are very strong in Ireland. But again, again, it depends from which university you passed out and all those. Lot of things matter.
So university does matter?
Absolutely, totally. The university will matter.
Oh, okay.
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 So
So I'm not sure whether I can ask this question. Just asking, just wanted to utilize this space. So if you wanted to recommend between UK and Ireland, which one would that be for business analytics course?
business analytics UK don't have any job. It's not about the platform and all those. You can just see because all the IT companies have moved out of UK now. They have moved their base to Ireland because Ireland is a part of Europe. And when a company is registered with Ireland, they can also go to UK as well as because UK and Ireland have a collaboration. So they get the benefit. And so that's why Ireland is in boom right now. This is the reason after Brexit.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Cool. Okay, Mohammed Ajmal, how many masters? What are the masters courses? Look, we have many masters courses in pharmacy you can look for. One is toxicology, one is neuropharmacology, one is clinical research, applied clinical data. In case if you are looking for business side, you can go for health economics. That's a business side of the program. And even if you want to go for regulatory affairs, you can go for biomedical science. You can go for biomedical genomics data science. A lot of courses are there for pharmacy graduates to come.
Yeah, there's a question here. I got a conditional offer letter from NUI Galway for MSc Applied Clinical Data Analytics. My IELTS exam is on March 20th. Can I make initial deposit and confirm the
Yes,
seat?
you can do that. You can do that.
Yeah. And the Vishnupriya and so many others who have asked questions regarding admission at University of Galway and regarding the admission process, the visa process and all that. So we at Ad Hoc, we are happy to help you free of cost. We have our offices. You can visit our website and reach out to us. And Joydeep too visits our offices. So he's been to Kochi recently as well. Isn't it, Joydeep? I hope
Yeah, absolutely. I think I have one more query from Aishwarya. I have completed BCom degree with a specialization in finance. So CGPA 7 alongside. Well, you can apply for corporate finance, you can apply for fintech, you can apply for international finance also in case if you're looking for an economics based course. So these are the courses that you can definitely look into and apply. Okay, Aishwarya, your percentage is okay. So just apply as early as possible. So any more queries?
Any other questions?
Hello. Hi, Joydeep. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
Lakshmi.
This is Sri Lakshmi speaking.
Yes, tell me.
I would like to pursue my master's in health data science.
Wow, that's one of my favorite program right now, especially in Galway. Look, I will just give you a brief about data science industry in the world. Even
Yeah,
in
I have heard that it's a newly introduced course. So my
the course is not newly introduced course. We are running from long time. Earlier, the name was Applied Data Science. Okay.
okay.
it's an applied data science course. Now, Galway is home to all these medtech companies. Especially Medatronic is one of the largest sponsorer of major courses that we provide. So to fulfill the recruitment process and fulfill the scarcity of the data scientist over there, they run this course basically. So if you check the modules of this course, they are not restricted for health professionals. They are for any students coming from computer science, maths, even from pharma graduate also, they come for this course. We have a lot of coding based course in this module. A lot of codings, a lot of AI based like NLP, machine learning. You will see all those coding based subjects over there. So it's a very good course. Quickly you get your jobs and all those. So those are the plus point of the program.
Are you offering any internship and placements?
Look, we for any IT based course, we give capstone project. What are capstone project? Capstone project a live project. After that internship, then your applied project. So mostly all the, in fact, not mostly, all the IT based courses will have capstone project and remaining courses will have internships.
Yeah. Thank you. Good to know.
And for the information of all those who are seeking for employment, along with that, you need to update your LinkedIn profile, make connections. So all that matters. So whatever projects that you have done, whatever papers that you've you have presented, all that update on LinkedIn. And now with the AI era, so there are many companies that are observing your LinkedIn, and you get recommendations. And so all that is also very much important. In addition to the career fairs and other opportunities the university provide, there are a lot of connections and interactions where you reach out, attend the virtual and the other career fairs as well. Okay, so this really helps, and many students get jobs that way. And companies like, for example, one of the IBM is a very large, huge company. So companies like IBM is on a hiring spree now. They are taking a lot of students. They're looking for qualified hands. They find shortage. So they, especially in Ireland, they are expanding the business. So many companies like that. So when in some place, when it is, they find, as Joydeep just rightly pointed out, when in UK is not favorable, they always come to Ireland because Ireland is a welcoming country for corporates as well, industries. So corporate tax is low, and because of that, the companies come there. And so many of these areas are identified as critical skills, and there is shortage. So there are plenty of job opportunities for the right students who take the right course, learn the right skills, and have the right connections. Yes, Joydeep, you'd like to add something?
Yes, I just like to add on few things. Look, I guess few of you have recently just came for this thing. Look, there are many reasons to come to Galway. You can Google up, you will see. But the three main reasons to come to Galway, the cost of living is one thing. It's almost 1/3 of what you pay in Dublin, Cork, or Limerick, basically. Cost of living is very, very affordable in Galway. Second reason to come to Galway, being the only university in the IT MedTech hub. So if you see the screen, so I have just shared, these are the companies which are based in Galway, the IT companies. These are the medtech companies. It's a global hub for medical technologies. It is also a fintech hub. So these are the companies which are based in Galway. So you literally get a lot of white collar part-time jobs. So what are white collar part-time jobs? For example, you're from IT background, you know coding languages, you can work as a coder, you can work in the market research, you can work in the medtech research, you can work in the field as an accountant, you can work as a construction site engineer, you can work in the machine maintenance. So these are kind of part-time works that you get, which you can highlight in your LinkedIn and all those, and you will earn around 14 to 16 euros an hour. Okay. Again, this is one of the main reason to come to Galway, because there is no such competition like in other cities and all those. Third main reason is that, as I told you, that we do have the employability services. We are very, very strong in employability services. Do follow us in LinkedIn, so you will get to know more details about the employability. And if you join Galway or accept the offer, we will invite you for pre-departure. Do come to the pre-departure, where our placement officer, she comes and she gives you an idea about the employability and all those. Yes, we are the university who talks a lot about employability and all those. Yes, even for me, I worked personally with many universities, but when I joined Galway, I was also quite surprised to see the kind of employability. Even we have a lot of this Deloitte office, then PwC, they have their offices inside the Galway campus. Bank of Ireland is one of our largest recruiter. They have their own presence in Galway. So like this, even companies like Metatronic, they have a very strong presence, and we are the only university who have their own clinical trial labs also in Ireland. So this is the campus just off the track. So campus is one of the most largest campus, most beautiful campus in Europe actually, and one of the largest in Europe and largest in Ireland. It's a sustainable campus, so you can see the eagle eye view. Oh, and just Google up all this, you will get a lot of information and all those. So that's all, nothing much rocket science to
Yeah.
talk.
Yeah.
Galway is majorly for the return on investment and all those. You save a lot of money in living expense, your returns are good. So this is the main reason you come to Galway. Dublin is just 2 hours away. Limerick is 1 hour away, and Cork is 2.5 hours away, not that very far away. So everything is very much connected.
Yeah, Joydeep, there are a couple of questions more that has come. One is, can you explain a bit more about UG engineering courses and the requirements?
Okay, for UG engineering, we need at least 80% to 85%, depending upon the courses that you are going. Currently, we are taking CBSC, ICSC, A levels and A levels and IB. But yes, we are taking few state boards on case-to-case basis. So you have to get in touch with me to reevaluate your marks, rated mark sheet or your final mark sheet. So we will let you know.
Yeah, yes, please get in touch with us, and so we'll be able to talk to you one-on-one and guide you. And there is another question. I am a physics graduate and working in the public sector bank for the last 6 years. Which course will be apt for me?
Fintech will be a good course for you coming from physics because you have understand a basic on maths and all those, and coming from banking industry, so you understand the finance. And Ireland, 1/3 of the job is related to the fintech industry. Fintech is a very large industry, so definitely you can look into fintech.
Yes, yes, that's definitely a good option with the banking experience. Fintech will be a good option. And Srijit, who asked the earlier question about UG courses, you can definitely get in touch and we'll be able to guide you. Any other questions that anybody is having?
Yeah, actually, one of the question is directed to me. I'm a by I think Akhil Velaiden. I'm a BVOC graduate. I've completed patient care management in BVOC. Which courses are applicable for my qualifications?
Look for BVOC. I will recommend you to apply because as of now we haven't got any case with BVOC. So I cannot say whether we accept a BVOC degree or not, because if it's aligned to UGC recognition, then we will definitely accept, but you need to apply first. Okay. Now you can apply for many courses. Like if you have done a course in patient safety, I will say health promotion will be a very good course for you because you understand those area. Basically, you can apply for child, youth and community also. That is a community based counseling course. You can apply for adolescent health because adolescent health have a lot of good scope in Ireland, basically, because Ireland have a lot of old age people. Even a girl from Kerala, she is studying there. If you need any recommendation, we can connect you to her. Basically, it's a very good course, adolescent health. So they can definitely apply for that program. I have one more question, like on pharmacy course in regulatory affairs. As I have told you, Pratap, we run two courses mostly focus on pharmacy and regulatory affairs. One is a biomedical science. They have a 1 year route of regulatory affairs. And second is your this one clinical research. But clinical research is under wait list, so you have to apply. If you have applied, it's fine. If you haven't applied, you have to apply and wait, basically.
Again, on the pharmacy side, Ireland is a pharmacy hub, and those from the
Basically,
pharmacy
Galway.
background, yeah, those from the pharmacy background, you know that the pharmacy that is, it could be the major two divisions are pharmaceutical and pharmacology. So the pharmaceutical part, there are a lot of opportunities because it's drug development and regulatory affairs. All that is part of initially the drug development. So for that, there are a lot of opportunities because the industries and the manufacturing units are there in Ireland. So most of these universities, they have custom-made master's programs which will make you employable to get a job in these companies. There is one more question. As Ireland is the best for its IT, pharmaceutical, what about the scope for healthcare sector and physiotherapy? So opportunities. This is from Vishnu Priya.
Yes. Look, healthcare is the third largest industry in Ireland, and pharmacy, everything comes under healthcare. And Galway is the healthcare hub, basically. All these healthcare, pharma, medtech companies you find in Galway only. So it has a lot of good scope in Ireland, and Ireland is the only country in Europe where you get all these scopes, basically, and easier for any healthcare professional or pharma or medtech professional to settle down there.
We have another question by Muhammad Ajmal. How many backlogs are accepted?
I have just now told you in the beginning that we don't have any cap on backlogs, but when you apply, it should be zero. There should not be any active backlog.
Okay, thank you. I just wanted to know, like, even if the student have cleared the backlog, but if you have taken extra year to complete, suppose.
They need to give a valid reason why extra year. If it's medical, it's fine.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
Any other questions?
Myself, Sujit.
Yeah.
I had completed my civil engineering.
Mhm.
I have experience in IT.
Okay.
So I want to know in which field I can pursue a master's.
What is your GPA in civil?
My GPA is 7.2.
Okay,
Meaning
so
72.
I can offer you a course called Construction Innovation. Okay, that is
Yes,
an IT
but
side of the construction, basically, which is this course has building information modeling. Okay, and this course comes under critical skill shortage in Ireland. It's a very good program, even if you want to settle down in Ireland also. Plus, this course have a lot of good scope in terms of jobs, because Ireland is towards sustainable construction right now for next 10 years. Okay, so they are making a lot of sustainable towns. So there are a lot of construction based jobs, especially on the way between Dublin to Galway.
Yes, the point that I want to make is the sustainability itself. So
so this is the program that you can look into if you're really keen to work in this field.
My experience is in intelligent transportation system, which is actually basically sustainable mobility.
Sustainable,
so,
yes, absolutely.
Yeah, so I want to know whether the GIS or GPS related.
Yes, this is included. You can check the modules, you will understand.
Okay, the course name is construction and
innovation.
Oh, innovations. Okay, thank you.
Construction innovation. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Sujit, for your question. So you're welcome to interact, get in touch, and we'll be able to help you connect with University of Galway and do the processing as well. And there was another question. I'm a quantity surveyor. Is there any chances of getting the same field there? This is a question from Arya.
What? Can you tell me?
Quantity surveyor. Quantity survey.
Quantity surveyor means
civil engineering background.
Okay, you can apply for construction innovation also, because they have GIS. Plus, you can also apply for sustainable environments. We have another course into sustainable environments. You can look into that. So these are the two courses that you can look into.
Yeah. Is there any other specific quantity surveying related
Yeah,
programs?
this course are related to GIS and all this. I got your point. Yes, especially sustainable environments will have a lot of modules related to surveying.
Yeah, anyway, Arya, you can get in touch with us so we can look into the various options for the specific your requirement. Yeah. So the option set Galway, these programs are good. We can look at various options. Yeah. Any other questions? So since there are no more questions, I presume that you've understood everything and your doubts are clear. And Joydeep, thank you for your time and for the interaction and for answering the questions with clarity. And thank you for all the participants for actively involving and asking questions. So if you have any other questions, definitely you are welcome to contact us, the ad hoc, and we'll be able to connect you with Galway, or we will be able to help you out with your admission or whatever might be your requirement. Okay, thank you. All the best. So next next session, our next session will be with the Technological University of Shannon from 3:40 to 4:40. So we have a small break of around 20 minutes, and the next session will start at 3:40. And anything else? So since we don't have any other questions, we'll wind it up for now. Thank you, and look forward to meeting you all during the coming sessions as well these 2 days. Thank you, and bye for now.